Hi, I'm Beck McIntosh and welcome to Career Jam. Today we're going to talk all about CVs and resumes in under 2 minutes. What's the point? A resume or CV is all about credibility. So you're looking into the candidate. We actually don't have that technology at a stage where we can sort of grab lots of different data and assess you before you even arrive. So at the moment, the data points that an employer is looking for is who you've worked for, how credible are they, how long have you been there, what are the types of tasks that you've done and how are they matched to the role that you're doing, what's the size and strength of your network, and what are the references that you have. An employer wants to understand who you are, how credible you are, and how truthful are the claims that you're making. So they may look at your resume, but they may use other reference points, your referees, your LinkedIn profile, and they're looking at all of these points as a way to gather data on who you are as a candidate. So make sure when you're doing your CV or resume, it is a document that is credible, that has the highest and most complex examples of the experience that you've had, you've demonstrated your achievements, and that you've given yourself a flavour so that an employer has an opportunity to understand who you are and why they'd want to hire you. I hope you enjoyed our blog today on the 2 minutes of CVs and resumes. If you like this post, there's a lot longer ones. If you want to click subscribe, we look forward to hearing from you soon.